Now how to find out median? Median we have to find out by this formula, that is L plus n upon 2 minus cumulative frequency upon f. Now what does this all stand for? I'll show you. Now this is a question. Marks in exam is 0 to 20 marks, 20 to 40, 40 to 60, 60 to 80 and so on. And number of students who have got 0 to 20 marks is 4, 20 to 40 marks is 20 and so on. So the class is a student's mark, that is 0 to 20, 20 to 40 will come in the first column. In the second column you'll write down number of students, Fi, that is whatever is given over here, 4, 20, 30, 40 and 6 and so on. And the third column you have to find out the cumulative frequency less than the upper limit which you have studied last year. Now the most important thing in order to find out median is what? The class should be continuous. That is, if it is 0 to 20, the next one should start from 20. 20 to 40, then the next one should start from 40. 40 to 60, the next one should start from 60 and so on. So the most important part of median is what? The first column class should be continuous. If it is not continuous, then you have to make it continuous. So an extra column will come. In this only 3 columns are there. But if the class is not continuous, you have to draw one extra column and make the class continuous, and then you will be having Fi and then cumulative frequency. Now how to make that continuous I will show you in the next sum. Now here 0 to 24. So cumulative frequency is written how? The first number is written as it is. Then add this 4 plus 20. That is 20 plus 4 is equal to how much? 24. 24. Next take this 24 and add 30 plus 30, that's equal to how much? 54. Then take this 54 and add this 40 plus 40 is equal to how much? 94. Now take this 94 and add this 6. So what you will get? 100. 90 plus 6 is 100. So this we have to find out cumulative frequency. That means what? 4 students have got marks from 0 to 20 and 24 students have got marks from 0 to 40, not 20 to 40. From 0 to 40, 24 students have got. 20 students have got from marks 20 to 40. तो इसका मतलब क्या? 20 स्टूडेंट्स को 20 से 40 मार्क मिला है, लेकिन 24 का मतलब क्या है? 24 स्टूडेंट्स को 0 से 40 मार्क्स मिला है, यानी ये 20 और ये 4 मिलके 0 से 40 मार्क्स मिला है. 54 का मतलब क्या है? 0 से 60 मार्क्स कितने स्टूडेंट्स को मिला है? 54. और इसका मतलब क्या है? 30 का मतलब क्या है कि 40 से 60 मार्क कितने बच्चों को मिला है? 30. तो ये वाला क्लास इतने स्टूडेंट्स को मिला, लेकिन यहाँ से लेके यहाँ तक कितने स्टूडेंट्स को मिला? 54. सो दैट इज द मीनिंग ऑफ क्यूमुलेटिव फ्रीक्वेंसी. फर्स्ट we have to find out n. Over here n we have got how much? Whatever you got the final addition, that is your n. So n is equal to 100. So n upon 2 is equal to how much? 100 upon 2. That's equal to how much? 50. So now this score 50 comes under what? Does it comes under inside 4? Does it come inside 4? No. Does it come inside 24? No. Does it come inside 54? Yes, it comes under 54. So this is a particular class which you have to take, and this class is known as what? Median class. This is known as median class, and this is known as F. So this is known as F. That is this F is known as 30 is known as F, and the above one, not this particular 54 we had got over here, but we are not supposed to take this. This you'll take it as CF. So CF is the above class which you have, cumulative frequency of the above class you are supposed to take, not of the same class which we have got over here. So this is your cumulative frequency, this is your F, and 40 is known as L. L is what? Lower class limit, and you have to use this formula and you will get the answer of median. So what is L over here? 40. That is lower class limit. What is n upon 2? We have got over here 50. What is CF? CF is equal to 24. And what is F? F is 30. And what is h? The difference between this is known as h. So how much it is? 40 minus 20 is how much? 20. So the width of the class is known as h. So and substitute this value over here and you'll get the answer of the median. So how to find out? N we have got how much? 100. Whatever total you get, that is your final total, that is your n. When you divide n by 2, you get 50. 50 comes inside 54. So that particular column, that particular row you're supposed to take. So in this 40 to 60, this is known as a median class, and 40 is a lower class limit, and same frequency in the same row. F is what? 30 over here. So F is equal to 30, and you're not supposed to take CF of the same row. The above row you're supposed to take. So the above row, what you're getting? 24. So CF is equal to 24, and H is equal to how much? Width. Width is what? Difference between the class interval. The difference of the class interval or the class interval is known as width. So that is 40 minus 20 is equal to H. So H is equal to 20. Now supposing in order to find out median, I had said the classes should be continuous over here. Now look at this classes. Classes are not continuous. 6 to 10. The next one is not starting from 10. It is starting from 11 to 15. The next one is not starting from 15. It is starting from 16 and ending at 20. So that means this class is not continuous. So first you have to make it continuous. So class is what? 6, 10, 11, 15 and 16 and 20. 16 to 20. Now make it continuous class. Decrease 0.5 from here. So 6.0 minus 0.5. So you have to subtract 0.5 from the lower class limit. जो lower class limit है वहाँ से 0.5 कम करने का. So this will become 5. This will become 10. So it will be 5.5. So this will become 5.5 dash, and increase the upper class limit by 0.5. So increase the upper class limit by 0.5. So 10 will become 10.5. Now again from 11 you will decrease 0.5. So what it will become? 5, 10. So it will become 10.5, and 15 will become 15.5. So now you can see the class is continuous. It is ending in 10.5 and the next class is starting from 10.5. So both are same. Previously it was not same. So in order to find out median, it is very important that you keep the class continuous. If the class is not continuous, then decrease 0.5 from the lower class limit and increase 0.5 from the upper class limit. So when you decrease 0.5 from the lower class limit, it will become 5.5, and when you increase upper class limit by 0.5, it will become 10.5. This will become, when you decrease 0.5, 11 will become 10.5, and 15, when you increase 0.5, it will become 15.5. The next one will become 15.5 and will end in 20.5. If there is one more class, it would have become 20.5 up to 25.5. So this is how you are supposed to make the class continuous. If the class given in the question is not continuous, in order to make it continuous, decrease the lower class limit by 0.5 and increase upper class limit by 0.5. तो अगर क्लास कंटिन्यूस नहीं होगा, कंटिन्यूस का मतलब क्या, जैसे ये एंड 10 में होता है मगर नेक्स्ट वाला 10 से नहीं स्टार्ट होता है, 11 से स्टार्ट होता है. तो अगर कोई नंबर 10.5 रहेगा तो ना मैं ये 10.5 को इसमें डाल पाएगी ना इसमें डाल पाएगी. तो इसके लिए ज़रूरी है कि इस क्लास को कंटिन्यूस बनाने के लिए लोअर क्लास लिमिट को 0.5 से कम करो तो 5.5 हो जाएगा, और अपर क्लास लिमिट को 0.5 से बढ़ा दो तो इट विल बिकम 10.5. नेक्स्ट वाला 11 है लोअर क्लास लिमिट, तो डिक्रीज करो 0.5 तो क्या हो जाएगा 10.5, और अपर क्लास लिमिट क्या हो जाएगा 15.5. बाकी सब वैसे ही रहेगा. फ्रीक्वेंसी इज 2, 2, 1. फिर लास्ट कॉलम क्या है, क्यूमुलेटिव फ्रीक्वेंसी. ये पता है ना कैसे ढूंढने का, ये पहला वाला ऐसे ही रखने का, फिर ये 2 और ये 2 को ऐड करने का, 2 + 2 दैट्स इक्वल टू 4, और फिर ये 4 + 1 दैट्स इक्वल टू 5. तो अगर क्लास कंटिन्यूस है तो 3 कॉलम्स ही रहेगा, 1, 2 और 3, दैट इज़ क्लास फ्रीक्वेंसी और क्यूमुलेटिव फ्रीक्वेंसी. लेकिन अगर क्लास कंटिन्यूस नहीं रहेगा तो 4 कॉलम आएगा. एक तो क्लास, दूसरा कंटिन्यूस क्लास, फिर फ्रीक्वेंसी, फिर क्यूमुलेटिव फ्रीक्वेंसी. Now the first sum of practice set 6.2, they have given in the sum the following table. The following table shows the classification of the number of workers and the number of hours they work in a software company. So you have to find out the median, find the median of the number of hours they work. Now in the class what will come? The daily number of hours they work, that is 8 to 10, 10 to 12, 12 to 14, 14 to 16. Here it is in the continuous. These two numbers are same, so they are continuous. If it is not continuous, you have to draw another column and make it continuous, which we have discussed before. Now frequency, that is number of workers, is how much? 150, 500, 350. Now you have to find out the total of all this is how much? 1000. Now you have to find out the cumulative frequency of less than type. So first one you will write it as it is, 150. Now 150 plus 500 is how much? 650. 650 plus 300 is how much? 950. And 950 plus 50 is how much? 1000. N is equal to what? We have got 1000. Therefore n upon 2, that is 1000 upon 2 is equal to how much? 500. Now 500 किसके अंदर आता है? 150 के अंदर आता है? नहीं, 500 नहीं आता है. 650 के अंदर आता है? हाँ आता है. तो फ्रीक्वेंसी क्या रहेगा? क्यूमुलेटिव फ्रीक्वेंसी क्या रहेगा? ये क्यूमुलेटिव फ्रीक्वेंसी विल बी दिस, फ्रीक्वेंसी विल बी दिस, and class also we have to take this only, this class. So cumulative frequency which is greater than or equal to 500 is what? 650. So the cumulative frequency which is greater than or equal to, it was greater than 500, which was what? Greater than 500 is what? 650. So we have to take the above cumulative frequency as CF, and the 650 के सामने वाला जो frequency, that you will take it as frequency, and the same you will take the class also. The class and the frequency will be in this level, only cumulative frequency you have to take the above one. So median class is what? 10 to 12. So what is L over here? L is equal to what? The lower class limit. So this is the class which we are going to take. So which is the lower class limit over here? 10. F is equal to what? 500. Cumulative frequency is equal to what? 150. And the difference between this is how much? 2. So H is equal to 2. So the class limit is what we have to find. Class limit which is the one which we have to observe, that is 10 to 12. Out of this, which is a lower class limit, 10 is a lower class limit, so L is equal to 10. Now the median formula is what? L plus N upon 2 minus CF upon F into H. Now what is L? 10. N upon 2 we have got how much? 500 minus CF is equal to how much? 150 upon F. F is equal to how much? 500. F is equal to 500 into H. H is equal to what? 2. So that is equal to 10 into 500 minus 150 is how much? 350 upon 500 into 2. This 0 will get cancelled. This will go in 25. 2 25s are 5 stable, it will go 7 upon 5. So 7 upon, when you divide 7 by 5, what you will get? 1.4. So that is equal to 10. It is plus over here. 10 plus, not into, plus. So 10 plus 1.4. 1.4. So which is equal to how much? When you add 10 plus 1.4 is equal to how much? 11.4. So the median of the number of workers, the median of the number of workers number of hours, not workers, number of hours the workers work is 11.4. Now sum number 2 of practice set 6.2, they have given the frequency distribution table. So this table shows what? The number of mango trees in a group and their yield of mangoes. So how many mangoes are grown in that group, and find the median of the data. So we have to find the median of the data. Now class, you already know you have to write number of mangoes. So number of mangoes is what? 50 to 100, 100 to 150 and so on. Frequency is given in the next part, that is 33, 30, 90, 80, 17. Since this is already in the continuous form, so we don't have to make any changes over here. Now find out the cumulative frequency less than. So the first one will remain as it is. 33 plus 30 will be equal to how much? 63. 63 plus 90 is equal to how much? 153. 153 plus 80 is equal to how much? 233. And 233 plus 17 is equal to how much? 250. So the summation of all this frequency will be how much? 250. You don't have to add everything. Whatever you get over here, that is a total of the frequency. So now n is equal to how much? 250. Therefore n upon 2 is equal to what? 250 upon 2, that is equal to how much? 125. So cumulative frequency which is greater than or equal to 125 is what? Now is it 125, does it come inside 33? No. Does it come inside 63? No. Does it come inside 153? Yes. It comes inside 153. So that particular frequency you will take, and that particular class also you are supposed to take, and cumulative frequency will be here. So this will be cumulative frequency. So the cumulative frequency which is greater than or equal to 125 is what? 153. 153 के अंदर 125 आता है. इसके लिए ये रहेगा पर्टिकुलर, ये वाला अपन को लेना पड़ेगा हॉरिजॉन्टल रो, और इसका ऊपर वाला नंबर रहता है क्यूमुलेटिव फ्रीक्वेंसी, मगर इसका सामने वाला फ्रीक्वेंसी और ये पर्टिकुलर क्लास लेना है. मीडियन क्लास कौन सा है? 150 टू 200. तो लोअर क्लास लिमिट क्या है? 150. Frequency, what is frequency? 90. Cumulative frequency is how much? 63. And H, difference between 50 and 100 is how much? 50. So median is equal to what? L plus N upon 2 minus CF, cumulative frequency, upon F into H. So L is equal to how much? 150. 150 plus N upon 2 we have got how much? 125 minus cumulative frequency is how much? 63 upon F is equal to how much? F is equal to 90 into H is equal to how much? H is equal to 50. So that is equal to 150 plus 125 minus 63 is how much? 62 upon 90 into 50. So this 0 will get cancelled. 62, that is 150 plus 62 into 5. 62 into 5 is how much? 310 upon 9. That is equal to how much? 150 plus 310 you divided by 9. So what you will get? 9 3s are 27. 34.4444 you will get. So when you add 150 plus 34.444, what you will get? 184. That's equal to 184.4 you will get, which is approximately equal to. Now why we are taken approximately? अभी मैंगो ट्रीज में मैंगो ऐसा 0.4 में नहीं रहेगा, तो अप्रॉक्सीमेटली कितना रहेगा? सिंस पॉइंट के बाद 4 है, 4 5 से छोटा है, तो इसको ऐसे ही रखेगा 184. So the median of the data is how much? 184 mangoes. 184 mangoes. Now sum number 3, practice set 6.2. It is given the following table shows the classification of number of vehicles and their speeds. Their speed is also given. This is the speed which is given, and this is a number of vehicle which is driving with the speed of this particular speed. And in the Mumbai-Pune Express way, and you have to find out the median of the data. Now if you look at this, now in the first column class will come this, that is 60 to 64, 65 to 69 and so on. Now if you see, this is not continuous. ये अगर 64 है तो ये 65, ये दोनों सेम रहना चाहिए. सेम नहीं है, continuous नहीं है, तो एक एक्स्ट्रा कॉलम आएगा, तो उसको पहले continuous बनाओ. So what is a continuous? Here you'll decrease 0.5 from 60. When you decrease 0.5, what you'll get? 59.5, and increase 0.5 over here, so this will become 64.5. Now decrease 0.5 from 65, you'll get 64.5. So this became continuous. Next will be what? 69.5. एक बार मिल गया तो बाकी सब लिखना आसान है. नेक्स्ट वाला हो जाएगा 69.5 और ये हो जाएगा 74.5. Next one is what? 74.5 and 79.5. Next one is 79.5 and this will become 84.5. Last one will be 84.5 and 89.5. So now the class has become continuous. Now while looking at the class, you're not supposed to see this. ये नहीं देखने का, ये continuous class के ऊपर ध्यान देने का. तो the median class ढूंढते वक्त इसमें ढूंढने का, इसमें नहीं करने का. Frequency is the second one which is given over here, 10, 34, 55. That will come under the frequency, that is number of vehicles. Now this cumulative frequency, this will be 10. So 10 plus 34 will be what? 44. 44 plus 55 is what? 99. 99 plus 85 is how much? 184. 184 plus 10 is how much? 194. 194 plus 6 is how much? 200. So total will be how much? 200. So n is equal to how much? 200. What is 200 divided by 2? That's equal to 100. So n upon 2 we have got 100. So cumulative frequency मतलब 110 के अंदर नहीं आएगा, 144 के नहीं अंदर नहीं आएगा, 199 के भी अंदर नहीं आएगा. So 100 will come under which one? Under 184. So the greater cumulative frequency greater than or equal to 100 is how much? 184. So the median class is what? Median class is what? 184. So it will come which one? This one. The third last one, that is 74.5 dash 79.5. So what is the lower class limit? L is equal to how much? 74.5. F is equal to how much? So this is the second last one from below. So this will be F. And this will be the median class which you have to take. Not this one, you have to take this one. So your cumulative frequency will be which one? This one. So F is equal to 85, CF is equal to 99, and H is equal to how much? The difference between them is how much? If you count, it will be 5. So median is equal to L plus n upon 2 minus CF upon F into H. So L is how much? 74.5 plus n upon 2 is how much? 100 minus CF is how much? 99 upon F is how much? 85 into 5. H is equal to how much? 5. So that is equal to 74.5 into 100, not into, plus 100 minus 99 is how much? 1 upon 85 into 5. It goes in 5's table. 5 ones are 17. So that is equal to 74.5 plus 1 upon 17. So that is equal to 74.5 plus, when you divide 1 by 17, you will get 0.059. When you add all this, what you will get? That is equal to 74.559, which is approximately equal to, since this is more than 5 or more than 500, this 74 will become 75. तो अगर ये नेक्स्ट नंबर 5 या 5 से ज़्यादा रहेगा तो ये वाला नंबर एक इंक्रीज़ होगा, अगर वो 5 या 5 से कम होगा तो ये ऐसे का सेम ही रहेगा, 74 ही रहेगा. यहाँ पे अभी 5 है, इसके लिए इट विल बिकम 75. सो व्हाट इज़ द आंसर? द मीडियन ऑफ द गिवन डेटा इज approximately how much? 75 kilometer per hour. Now sum number 4, they have given practice set 6.2 that the production of the electric bulb in different factories. So the production of bulbs in different factory is given in this table. Find the median of the production. So the production of bulbs is how much? 30 to 40. It's not 30 to 40. It's given in the bracket thousands. So 30,000 to 40,000, 40,000 to 50,000, and so on. A number of factories is also given. So this will come under the class in thousands, and this will come, number of factories will come under frequency. And you have to find out the cumulative frequency. Now you know how to find out the cumulative frequency. 12 will remain as it is, 12 plus 35. 47, 47 plus 20, 67, 67 plus 15, 82, 82 plus 8, 90, 90 plus 7, 97, and 97 plus 8 is how much? 105. So the summation of this is how much? 105. So n is equal to 105. So 105 upon 2, that's equal to 52.5. So cumulative frequency which is greater than 52.5 is which one? 67. So this is the 67 is a cumulative. You have to take this cumulative frequency, and the frequency will be what? 20. And which class you will take? This one. So median class is which one? 50 to 60. So lower class limit is how much? 50. Frequency is what? 20. Cumulative frequency is what? 47. And h is equal to what? The difference between 40 and 30 is how much? 10. So h is equal to 10. So median is equal to L plus n upon 2 minus cumulative frequency upon frequency into h. L is equal to how much? 50 plus n upon 2 is how much? 52.5 minus 47 upon f is equal to how much? 20 into h is equal to how much? 10. That is equal to 50 plus 52.5 minus 47 is how much? 5.5 upon 20 into 10. Now this 0 will get cancelled. So that is equal to 50 plus. Now when you divide 2 or 5.5 by 2, what you get? 2.75. When you add this, what you get? 52.75. Now previously only I told that this is in thousands, so you have to multiply by 1000. So that is equal to 52.75 into 1000 will be equal to what? 52750. 2 zeros will go away because after decimal 2 zeros are there, so that will go away. So how many bulbs are produced? The median of the production is how much? 52,750 bulbs. Now problem set 6, sums connected to practice set 6.2 are sum number 6 and sum number 7.